What's going on, everybody? Caitlin here from Extreme, bringing you yet again another tire and wheel package. So we today are looking at the XD202s. These are a 22x10 with a -18 offset. We'll go ahead and measure that lip, just to give us an idea of how far back that offset really is. It's like we got about a 4-inch lip. Makes sense. Now the finish here, it looks like it's a glossy black. It's got a nice chrome lip as well as some of that milled accent on the inside there to just give it a little added something. And then to be matched along with this tire here, this is an Atturo trail blade tire, measuring at a 33x12.5R22. So it seems to work really well with this XD202 22x10 model here. What do you guys think of this pack? Thanks guys for tuning in. If you like what you just saw, make sure you check it out in the description for some more information. Like up this page, subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep bringing you RealView videos of products you may be shopping for. Thanks again guys so much for supporting a true garage startup.